We are now going to demonstrate the project that we are going to do for verifying the compatibility between a blood recipient to donor. We have seen donor to recipient. Now we are going to see recipient to donor compatibility. That means if any of these blood groups from AB positive to O negative wants to receive a blood, so which are the blood groups that are potential donors for these recipient blood groups? For example, if AB positive blood group needs blood, so in this case you can see all these blood groups can donate the blood to AB positive. So AB positive is universal recipient. Same is similarly for AB negative. So all the blood groups that are negative, like O negative, B negative, A negative, AB negative, can donate the blood. So this project is to identify, for particular recipient, who all are the potential, donors. So that particular combination that we are going to see in this particular project, for which, we are going to use PictoBlock software definitely, but along with that, we are going to use Arduino Uno HC05 Bluetooth module, breadboard, LEDs. Here in this case, you can see for the particular recipient of a blood group, to identify what are the compatible donors in terms of O negative to AB positive. We are representing them in the form of LEDs. So O negative is connected to pin number 4, O positive is connected to pin number 5, O negative is connected to pin number 6. Similarly, AB positive is connected to pin number 11. So 4 to 11 pin numbers in this direction. So now we are aware of the circuit diagram. We will go to use PictoBlock software to develop the code or the program as per the circuit diagram. So I'm going to open PictoBlocks. It is very much similar to what we have done in the other program for donor to recipient compatibility. So here also we are going to use the double application. Open blocks, keep Arduino connected. In this case, select Arduino Uno board and COM11 as the port. Select the mode as upload mode. Okay, so by the time it switches to upload mode, it takes some time. Okay, so it may disconnect the board. So to connect the board again, okay, the board has been connected. Now we are going to refer to the circuit diagram and write the program. So first block that we are going to use is when Arduino Uno starts. Then go to enable and set Bluetooth as 9600. First block definitely is from control if. Then go to enable. If the data from enable is terminal is okay. If the data from terminal is AB positive or any one of these, what will happen? So if it is AB positive, the pin numbers representing O negative to AB positive, all the pins should turn on. So pin number 4 to 11 should turn high if the entry is AB positive. So I'm going to write that. So same thing, AB positive, and then I'm just going to copy these, and then I'm going to duplicate multiple times. I'm going to duplicate all 4 together here. Okay, I'm going to duplicate again all 4 here. Okay, and write from 4 to 5 all pins to set to high. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Oh, I copied extra, duplicated extra. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to turn on or to turn high when the blood group selected as recipient is AB positive. So for AB positive, all these pins should turn high. So I'm going to duplicate this entire block and put it here. and simply one can write both capital and again duplicate, place it here. Okay, write one capital, one small, place it properly so that they are locked in these blocks. So then A positive, B small. So A positive, B small, A capital, B small positive, A small, B positive, sorry, A small, B caps positive, both caps positive and both small positive. Okay, so that is AB positive. Then we go to AB negative. So when AB negative is entered, the O negative, that is this pin 4, then B negative, that is 6 alternate pins. So 4, 6, 8, 10 should turn on. So when the entry is AB negative. Let's duplicate this. So AB negative, so alternate pins to turn on. And duplicate for the multiple variations of AB negative. Now I'm not repeating that because you got that idea. Okay, so AB negative is done. So now A positive. So pin number for O negative, O positive, that is 4, 5, then A negative, A positive. So that is 8, 9. So 4, 5, 8, 9 to turn high. Rest of the pins are low. So that is for A positive. So A positive, 4, 5. Yes, the pins are low. 4, 5. Then these two, 8, 9. 4, 5, 8, 9. Yes. 4, 5, 8, 9. This to turn low. So A positive, 4, 5, 8, 9. Then I am duplicating this. For one can write A capital. So A positive is done. Now A negative, only 2 pins of O negative and A negative. So that is pin number 4 and pin number 8 to turn on for A negative. A negative. So pin number 4 and pin number 8. So that is A minus A negative. So pin 4 and 8. So all other pin are low. 4 and 8. Yes. So A negative is pin number 4 and 8. So we are done with, and let's duplicate this for capital A negative. Now B positive, the first 4 pins like 4, 5, 6, 7 for B positive. Something is wrong here. I know what happened. I just accidentally drag these here. I'll just zoom out. Correct. 4, 5, yeah, 4 and 8 high, and then I just copied this for B positive. A negative, A negative. Yeah. B positive. 4 high, 5 high, 6 high, 7 high, then low, low, and then I'll duplicate this. Be careful with arranging this. Now this should be capital B positive. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then B negative, only 4 and 6 pin. So that is O negative and B negative. Okay. So only 4 and 6 when the entry is B negative. B negative, 4 and 6. Press the pins to turn low. Duplicate B negative once. B negative. So now coming to last two blood groups. When it is O positive as recipient, O negative and O positive both. So pin number 4 and 5 to turn on. So when the entry is O positive, O positive, 4 and 5, the rest the pins are low. Yes, correct. And then capital O. For O positive, pin number 4 and pin number 5. Yeah. Now for O negative, that is the only pin, that is pin number 4 to be turning on. So I'm just duplicating this. O negative, this is low, and duplicating this entire block for capital O negative. And then to run this code in loop, we need to add forever block. So put everything into forever block. Just check until last block. Okay, and then I will just connect this here. Okay, so our entire coding is done. I'll just save this file as blood recipient to donor. Okay, demo. So code has been saved. Now it's time to upload. Already selected board. We have connected it to serial monitor. Selected upload. Then I'm going to upload the code to Arduino board. So while it is building the code, I am showing how it is getting transferred to Arduino Uno. Yes, the code has been successfully uploaded. Now how to use Arduino Uno along with Bluetooth device, Bluetooth module and Babel application to verify the compatibility between recipient and donor. So for that purpose, we have already provided a separate video. You can watch that video for how it is how it works. So with that, thank you very much.